Now I'm going to show you how to add raindrops with your umbrella. So what you're going to need is one sheet of construction paper, glue, scissors, pencil, and a model, and some thread. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your model and you're going to trace around it, like so. Then you're going to cut the models out. Then you're going to cut out the traced ones. Now I've pre-cut out some for you. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your thread that's been cut off and you're going to attach it to this way. I got some pre-sticks like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your umbrella and you're going to attach, and then you're going to glue this here like this, so. I've pre-glued some for you. Now your umbrella with the raindrops is ready.